I think this song was mesmerizing. And I know Vidya Ji's husband, look at, he was dancing over there, Raj. Whistling, he just got
We never see
crazy.
him dancing. Today is all over the
That was
place.
an awesome singing by Vidya and Meenakshi. One more time, so big round of applause to Vidya and Meenakshi. That खाना खा रहे हो एनर्जी नहीं है. What does this mean? There is a big clapping.
Come on, guys. Wake up.
Clapping.
All right. What's next, Praveen?
All right. So what is next?
Do we have something fast numbers now? Now we're getting
I
closer
think I
to
have a
12
bhajan to
o'clock.
sing. Bhajan.
Bhajan?
Yeah.
Bhajan.
Hey,
I think
How
people
many
like-
of you want bhajan? No, see? How many of you want some nice fast songs? Like,
You know, डांस की लड़कियों को देखने के बाद कभी कभी ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी
wait. That's not in a script.
no,
No, that was not in a script.
I just like the girls. Dance girls, I like them.
You can't just say things like that. I mean,
I
just,
like the dance girls.
I'll get deviated, distracted. You know, you need to say something that's on the script. You can't just say things as you like.
Okay, कभी कभी no,
No. No. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. What a boring song, yeah. I think he's going to sing that song next.
Okay, the next song is from movie कभी कभी. So कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है डांस की लड़कियों को देखने के बाद
Ay.
कि जिंदगी इनकी जुल्फों की छांव में गुजरने पाती.
Yeah, whatever.
No, मगर ये हो ना सका और आलम ये है कि अब तू नहीं, तेरा गम नहीं, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं.
Yeah, whatever.
गुजर रही है जिंदगी कुछ ऐसे, इसको किसी के आगे की जरूरत भी नहीं,
Pushing
आगे
me
की
away from
जरूरत
the
भी नहीं.
stage, guys. Somebody help me
कभी-
here. She's going to sing this boring song. All right.
कभी कभी
Round of applause to Praveen.
आता है.